Welcome to Help Screen. If you want to delete your Facebook account, first thing is just simply go ahead and select your profile or the three lines on the top right corner of the screen. Now here, just simply go ahead and select the gear icon beside the search icon. And after that, you should be able to see here Account Center. So select See More in Account Center. After that, just simply select Personal Details over here. Now you should be able to see here Account Ownership and Control. And after that, you should be able to see here deactivation or deletion. So tap on that, just simply select your Facebook account. And from here, you will have two options. You could either deactivate your account, which is temporarily deleting it, or you could go for a delete account, which for this video, we are going to tackle. So tap on continue and make sure to select delete account. And from here, as you can see, it is warning us that our Facebook pages will be closed as well when we delete our Facebook account and tap on continue. And after that, it will ask you a survey question and just simply select one and select continue. And from here, just simply select continue. And after that, from here, just simply scroll down and you should be able to see here more information, and it is asking you to download your information. So you will have these options to copy your information about your Facebook, everything that comes with it. Now you will just simply select continue once you don't care about that or once you have processed everything. And now from here, it will ask you to sign in into your account and just simply provide your password and select continue. And right after that, you should be able to delete it. And as you can see over here, guys, you have 30 days to cancel the deletion. But after 30 days, your account will be deleted permanently. But before 30 days come and you log in into your account, it will be reactivated and you can gain access again. I hope this video helped you understand more. Thanks for watching.